How should uncertainty be represented in planning decisions? In most supply chains, uncertainty is not managed, it is removed. This happens at the moment a forecast is converted into a single demand number. A point estimate becomes the basis for all downstream commitments. This is not a forecasting limitation, it is a decision design choice. When uncertainty is collapsed into one number, the decision no longer represents the real operating environment. The system is allowed to see only an average case. Variability is excluded. Confidence is excluded. Alternative outcomes are excluded. Once this happens, planning decisions become structurally constrained. Procurement can commit only fixed volumes. Production can plan only fixed schedules and capacity loading. Inventory targets are assumed as static quantities across locations. Service levels are assumed as deterministic outcomes. The decision does not fail later, it is incomplete at the moment it is made. Representing uncertainty does not mean predicting disruption. It means allowing the decision to acknowledge a range of possible outcomes. A decision that represents uncertainty encodes tolerance. It defines acceptable deviation. It preserves optionality before commitments are locked. A decision that does not represent uncertainty forces precision where none exists. Two plans can be built from the same forecast. One treats demand as a point. The other treats demand as a range. The difference is not analytics, it is what the decision is permitted to represent. If uncertainty is excluded, the decision is brittle by design. If uncertainty is represented, the decision can adapt without redesign. This is why uncertainty representation is a structural property of decision design, not a performance outcome. If demand moves outside the assumed range, does the decision still hold, or does it need to be rebuilt? In the next episode, we examine forecast bias and why plans fail, even when uncertainty is acknowledged, but bias is ignored. SCM Simplified, Supply Chain Management, made simple.